Sawadee Cap, Samadhi Mai Cap, and welcome to Chiang Mai, Thailand. Hey, I'm here with Lena, who was my real estate agent when I got my condo. So I've asked her to give us a condo tour, not just a condo tour, but a house tour. Because the thing is, people don't realize around the country, we're kind of conditioned in the West that condos and apartments are a lot cheaper than houses. But in Thailand, it's almost the reverse. I mean, houses are the same price or quite often less. I think it's because condos tend to be central, right?
Right.
And people want to be central. And we're kind of central right now, but in a really quiet location. We're in an area called Ta Sala.
Yes.
And this is a beautiful little community of, I don't know, maybe, I didn't count them, 10 homes maybe. And they start from only 10,000 baht for the units that are a little bit older with the red roofs. And the gray roof ones are 12,000 baht, all one bedroom. But you know, enough of this unimportant stuff, Lena. What people want to know is, are you single?
I am single.
You're single, and do you date Westerners? Should a Westerner ask you out?
Well, the Westerners ask me out, please.
Okay. I think we have to be careful. You're going to get too many people bothering you now.
I will shoot the best one.
So tell us about the little house that we're going to see. How many square meters is it?
The house is 75 square meter.
Okay, so a nice size, and it's one bedroom, correct?
Yes, one bedroom.
Okay, and of course, as always, the electric and the water is extra. And I think I noticed, I think there's a air conditioner in both the living room and the bedroom,
Ka.
correct?
Yes.
And this is a really peaceful location. We took a nice, quiet little road to get here, and it's blissful. I mean, it's you can hear birds chirping, and you've got this huge lawn in the middle. Don't you want to play frisbee right now? Do you know what frisbee is?
Not exactly sure. Maybe.
I want to play frisbee then. All right, let's check out the house.
Yes, let's go.
I'm here with the owner of this property, and I'm going to ask about this, like how it looks like อยากให้พี่โยช่วยแนะนำสถานที่บ้านเช่าโซนนี้ค่ะว่ามันมีจุดเด่นอะไรยังไงแล้วก็ผู้เช่าส่วนมากเป็นใครยังไงคะ
จุดเด่นของมันก็คือความเงียบสงบแล้วก็บรรยากาศของเราคือ
Okay, we're at house number 2, and this place doesn't have the beautiful lawn that the other place did, but it's only maybe about a minute drive, so we're still in the Ta Sala area. And tell us about this place, Lena.
This place is 90 square meter and 2 bedroom.
There's 3 little houses in a row, all separate, so you don't share any walls. And there's 2 bathrooms. Each room, the living room and the 2 bedrooms, each have their own air conditioner. And how much is the monthly rent?
For the monthly rent, it 1,200. No.
12,000.
Sorry, 12,000. I confusing in
Numbers
Thai.
can be tricky when you translate. So 12,000, not bad for 2 bedrooms, 2 bath, and this is a pretty new house. All right, let's check it out. All right, so we're here at the Galetong,
Yes.
which is at a pretty good location, I would say, in
It's
Chiang
on Chiang
Mai.
Mai Road.
Right off Chiang Mai Road, yeah. And it's nice because there's kind of a little quiet road. You go down like a really long driveway, so it's set back from the street. So I would say it's a pretty quiet location, wouldn't you?
Yes, agreed.
Now this is an older building. There's nothing fancy or impressive about this place. This is the lobby. That's all there is to it. But there's a trade-off. I mean, you can get a nice new place in Chiang Mai, no trouble. I mean, there are just tons of new units, but you're going to pay more and it's going to be a lot smaller.
Yeah.
We're going to show you a 1-bedroom here. A 1-bedroom in a new place like the Astra, let's say, for example, the Astra Sky Terrace. Those are 2 big popular condo developments here. They're going to be like 30 to 35
to 30
square meter. That's, we're talking about a 1-bedroom unit. I mean, that's small. In an older building, you're going to get usually more than twice as much footage. So you get a lot more space, which is Westerners, we're kind of used to a lot of space, but there's some drawbacks. Like you don't get any, well, you get either no or not as nice amenities. So like what's the amenity situation here?
If you want to go to the fitness or if you want to go swimming in the pool, you have to go somewhere else.
Yeah, which is a polite way of saying they don't have it here. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this house and condo tour. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you here in Chiang Mai soon.